Keep these copywriting tips in mind. Start with a goal in mind. Don't even think about crafting a word of content until you choose your primary goal for that piece of content. For example, perhaps the goal is to get a visitor to join your mailing list, generate a sale, encourage people to register for a webinar, persuade people to call you, get prospects to request a quote or free consultation, encourage people to participate in a contest, invite people to share your content with others, get customers to refer their friends, encourage visitors to join a free membership site, and similar goals. The key point is to just pick one goal and then create your copy entirely around this one goal. Focus on creating great headlines. The most important part of a lead page, sales page, ad, or other piece of copy is the headline. That's because your visitors are going to decide whether to keep reading your content largely based on the headline. To that end, keep these tips in mind. Devote time to the task. Your headline can make or break the success of your sales piece, so be sure to focus on this task rather than treating it as an afterthought. Understand your audience. In order to create something effective, you need to understand what is important to your audience. You can then create a headline based on these important benefits and other factors. Brainstorm multiple headlines. Set aside 20 minutes or so to brainstorm as many headlines as possible. Don't stop when you hit upon a good one. Keep going as an even better one might be coming. Test your headlines. Naturally, you shouldn't pick a headline based entirely on your own preferences. Instead, test your best headlines and let your audience vote with their wallets. Next, 3 factors that make for great headlines. As you're crafting your headline, keep these tips in mind. Focus on benefits, not features. But people want to know what a product does for them, which is why you need to showcase the benefits. For example, an ingredient that increases metabolism is a feature, but the benefit is that the food helps people lose weight more quickly. Evoke curiosity when possible. This is a great way to hook people and keep them reading. For example, here's the secret of rapid weight loss. Another tip, use quotes. Quotes around sales letter headlines tend to boost conversion rates because a quote makes the claim seem more credible due to the social proof factor. Next, 20 power words to start using. There are some words that almost always get attention, which makes them great choices in headlines and other copy. See if you can work these 20 words into your copy. You, because, how to, secrets, discover, reveal, new, guaranteed, proven, scientific, surprising, startling, quick, easy, fast, simple, amazing, crazy, huge, fantastic. Next up, 10 headline templates. The next time you need to create a great headline, try out these templates. First, who else wants a great benefit? For example, who else wants shinier hair? Next, here's the quick and easy way to get a benefit. For example, here's a quick and easy way to lose 10 pounds. Third, The secrets of getting a good result. For example, the secrets of crafting high converting sales letters. Next, get a good benefit in a short period of time. For example, lose 10 pounds in 18 days. Another one, now you too can get a good benefit. For example, now you too can make money by creating jewelry. How to get a benefit even if you don't have something. For example, how to land a $100,000 job without a college degree. Next, great results in number easy steps. For example, house train your puppy in 3 easy steps. Another one, the surprising truth about some topic. For example, the surprising truth about the anti-aging cosmetic industry. Are you making these type of mistakes? For example, are you making these putting mistakes? Next, what some person or group doesn't want you to know. For example, what your vet doesn't want you to know about holistic medicine.